all clear down there. I usually start from the small side and then come up, but because it's in a gully, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight down from the top. I'll start rolling stuff down there and get out of the way. Then, once I'm done with all that, I just have to cut these two down and we should be good to go. Things I'm going to ask him is, how far does he want me to cut this? I need to go ask him that, because if I have to cut everything up, I'll be here the rest of the afternoon. I don't think he really wants that or needs that, but I want to make sure. All I have to say is, wait till you see the video of this one.
Oh, is it good?
Oh, it is glorious. All right, he's asked me to cut some of this stuff up here into smaller pieces so we can get it with the tractor. So we'll do like 2 or 3 foot pieces. "17 minutes, not bad. I'm gonna cut these 2 trees down. We're gonna go straight close to where he's standing. Where do you want it? That way? Yeah.
blocks,
Yeah.
and I'll just grab them and take them down the woods.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Nothing damaged, so. Whew.
No, he wasn't gonna hurt nothing. The worst thing would have been the golf cart top, and it's already probably damaged anyway.
All right.
I'm gonna take him back around and throw some of that stuff and cut up.
Sounds good. All right. The cut here looks really good. Front facing about 40%. Came in and the hinges were good. I think when he was pushing on it, it caused it to twist a little bit because the back cut's really good here, as you can see. But hey, it worked out good. Nothing damaged over there. 7%. Time for a new battery. Well, this one took less than 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the most. So that's good. This one was less than 1 minute because it was so rotten and dead. There really wasn't even a stump there. It was just remnants of a stump. All right, got back a little late last night and it was a little bit dark to record, so we're wrapping it up today. As you saw, that video was quite interesting with that tree falling next to me down at the bottom of the little gully there, but it all went well. It was exciting and we got the job done, stumps ground up, and it worked out quite nicely. So we're gonna wrap it up today. We've got the trailer back at where it's supposed to be, trucks parked back where it's supposed to be, and we are going to head out to our next tree job. So we're gonna wrap it up, call it a day, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.